We are told a beautiful story. Fossil fuels are dead. The future is clean, green, and electric. But there is a dirty secret hidden inside your Tesla, your iPhone, and your solar panels. To build this green future, we have to dig. A lot. We are moving from a world fueled by oil to a world fueled by metals. And while the US was busy fighting wars for oil in the Middle East, another superpower quietly bought the entire supply chain of the future. Welcome to the new resource war. It's not about barrels anymore. It's about batteries. For 100 years, geopolitics was simple. Whoever controlled the oil controlled the world. That's why the US is in the Middle East. That's why the petrodollar exists. But an electric car doesn't need gas. It needs a battery. And a battery needs lithium, nickel, cobalt, and graphite. The International Energy Agency says demand for these minerals will jump by 4,000% by 2040. We are entering a commodity supercycle. Now, you might say, but there is plenty of lithium in Australia and Chile. True, but mining is only step one. You have to refine it. And this is where the trap snaps shut. China controls 60% of world's lithium processing, 70% of cobalt processing, 90% of rare earth elements. Even if the rock is mined in America, it often has to be shipped to China to be turned into a battery-grade material, then shipped back. China is the bottleneck. This monopoly gives Beijing a kill switch on the global green economy. If tensions over Taiwan explode, China doesn't need to fire a missile. They just need to stop exporting graphite or rare earth magnets. US car factories would grind to a halt in weeks. Fighter jets, which use these minerals, couldn't be built. It is a vulnerability that keeps Pentagon generals awake at night. The green transition isn't just about saving the planet. It's a race for survival. The West is waking up, trying to open mines in Nevada and Europe. But mines take 10 years to build. We are late to the party. The question is, can the world decarbonize without becoming dependent on a single superpower? Because right now, the battery in your pocket says no.